they dispose of the Philippine Navy. Now Rina Villamor with probably the most challenging interview for her entire broadcasting career. Send it over now. Shakey's player of the game. Go.
This is the most fun interview. Shakey's best players, no other than Kainse Taiwan. First of all, congratulations. Kainse, it's been like 10 games already. So, what's the improvement with the team? How's your bonding with the team? Of course, Jeng will translate for you.
Okay. She said, before we coming, we all new friend, new teammate. Before we not gross, but now more gross, more communication in game. Yeah, we have to talk very much in friend now. We okay now than before. That's why we win today like this.
Alright, and what will be your preparations coming into the semifinals?
Semifinals. Now we go to semifinal already. Then we practice hard about next round tomorrow at Ateneo. Yeah, and we prepare for sure for final like that. We practice hard for. Yes, thank you.
Alright. Do you agree with what she said? Anyway, our Shakey's best player, of course, won't be going away without your best prize coming from Miss Anna, our Shakey's representative. Please hand it to Kainse. Of course, sending out your thank yous, greetings. Of course, you want to invite them also to your other games. Let Jeng do that.
Oh, okay. Thank you for coming and watch our game. Thank you for Story Trading Stock. Thank you, Sandugor. Thank you, Fan, for support us. Thank you po.
Okay, how about a simple wave? Oh, there you go. I'll turn you back to Noel and Mosi.
Nangamote si Rina doon. Sandogo emerges as the #1 team. Yes.
Wait, bakit naman hindi #1? Mind reading, nakita mo?
Oh,
Napansin
may
mo,
taga-sagot si Taiwan. Ayan, si Jeng
Tingin
Boli.
lang ni Taiwan, alam na ni Jeng kung ano yung sasagot.
Pati yung Shakey's representative na confused. Dalawang GC ang binigay. Alright, taking a look at the team standings. Sandogo still #1. And it looks like, regardless of what happens in the match of Ateneo, the Final Four is already set, and that is the standings dyan. So Sandogo, Philippine Army, Cagayan Valley, and then Ateneo. Well, that's for this game, of course. Stand by. Our second game will feature the FEU Lady Tamarals going up against the Philippine Army. Stay with us right here on Active.